In this tutorial we are going to see how to create and run a Keil project in the Keil software. First go to the project and click on the new project, and you can see the project name. Give the project name as you wish and click on save, and the pop-up menu appear about the which hardware you want to create. In my case it's LPC 242148, and click on that and click on OK, and you can see the startup. Say no, and boom, now the project is created. And if you can see it, go to Windows and you can press on the default to see the project menu. Click on the new to create a new file in that project, and here is my program. It is an assembly level ARM program, and click on save and give the file name and .asm to mention it's an assembly level program, and click on save. And now you can see that the program is created. Press the right mouse button on the target and create option, and go to output and check the hex file, and click on OK, and go to that space group and click on add existing file and search for your program in there, and then click on add. And close the menu. Now you can see that your file is attached to the project and you are ready to build the project. Now you can see that there's no error and no warning here, so we are proceed to run the program. So click on debug and start debug, and the run menu appear. You can see that here's the program part, and up there it's the memory part, and the left side is for registers. To run the program step by step, you can click on the step over step, and the program will be executed step by step.